Today we're gonna go over how to filter sweep in Logic Pro X so we can make anything we want sound like it's underwater. We're not gonna go too crazy today. I just want my drums to be affected in this particular part. Heading on over, channel EQ, this is the tool that we're gonna use. We go all the way over here to the right, we're gonna click this guy. That's gonna pull up this band. Here's what I want to have happen. Right, totally normal. And I want them to rise as we get to the chorus. How are you gonna do that? I'm literally gonna draw it in. Go down to this green right here where it says read, go to touch. Okay, I'm going back a bit and I'm just gonna hit play and then you're gonna watch me. I'm just gonna draw in this automation over this particular part.
Down for a while, when your thoughts start to twist and turn, and nobody says what you wanna hear, when it's you versus yourself and not someone else, when everything is sinking in, I won't ever give up on you.
And you simply hit the space bar right when you're done. Now, before I do anything, if I was happy with that, right? If I wasn't happy with this, I would Command Z, I would just undo it, go back to that spot, and I'd apply this effect again. But I'm thinking pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna go back, change this to read, watch what happens, and I'll solo the drums. Hands off. So there's a way to kind of amp this up a bit. I'm gonna go right here to where the gain is, and I'm just gonna bump it up. Maybe go like between 2 and 3. Right? There's that resonance. So you can play around with where you want that to be with your filter. And if you combine it with other things, you can just create such cool stuff. So if you want to know how to reverse some audio, I've got a video that I did on that, and you could slap this effect on top of that, especially at specific parts. It just adds such a vibe. I hope that was helpful. If there's anything I left out, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I hope to see you guys soon.